So the crypto market is looking pretty good right now, but okay. So don't want to be the voice of doom and gloom here. That's not the point of the video, but I want to be the voice of reason in the room. Okay. And so there's a couple things you need to be aware of. So we've got a very, very big week coming up. Today is July 24th. Starting on July 26th, 2 days from now, the Federal Reserve is going to begin their meeting. It's going to be a meeting from the 26th through the 28th. And in this meeting, they are going to be deciding, and we will most likely know on the 26th. So that will be Tuesday. All right. We will most likely know what the Fed is going to do as it relates to raising interest rates, things of that nature. Okay. So we're going to jump back into that here in just a minute. But here's what's going on in crypto right now. We're up 2.4%, and Bitcoin and Ethereum are up 16, almost 17%, 7-day, and 7%. Ethereum has been leading the charge with a much more aggressive overall run up in the last 7 to 10 days because we now have a official date, which is approximately late September, kind of the 19th to 20th range, subject to change, of September for the official merge to happen, to move from proof of work to proof of stake. This has been something that's been in the works for years. So that's why you've seen this. And we've also seen a lot of long positions, bullish long positions coming in, institutional money flowing into Ethereum because of this, of the merge that is going to be happening. Okay, so that's been the overriding positive narrative for the crypto market. Okay, so I expect us to kind of continue on this path for the short term today, maybe in early tomorrow, but all eyes will start to turn late tomorrow on the 25th to what is the Fed going to do. So back to that, right? So we had approximately about 10 days ago, we had the CPI inflation data report come out, and it was not good. We were expecting a very minor move up to about 8.8%, and we actually got a 1.3% increase, which put us at 9.1 for the inflation. This is a dramatically, massively high number. It still keeps us way north of 40 plus years as far as the overriding, inflation number being a 40-year all-time high. So within this, we now have the decision that we're awaiting from the Fed. Is the Fed going to raise the interest rates 75 basis points? That is the expectation. It's still a very aggressive raise, but that is the expectation. And I think fundamentally, guys, that's been built into the number. That's been built into the stock market number. It's been built into the crypto market number. Now, I think, let's just say if on Tuesday they do come out and they come out with a 75 basis points raise. I think that crypto will have some type of a knee-jerk reaction to that decision. Might run down, but most likely eat up that that dip, if you will, fairly quickly. That's my expectation, because my point of it is that we're all pretty much readily expecting that number. Okay. Now, the issue here, though, is because the CPI inflation data report was dramatically worse than we thought it would be, with that 1.3% increase, which I realize that 1.3 doesn't sound like a lot, but it was. It was dramatically higher than we were expecting. And inside of that raise, the bulk of that was a raise because of the bulk of that 1.3 move up was because of higher gas and fuel prices. Okay. Now, positive note here is that gas and fuel prices have pretty much been coming down from their all-time high. So the price of gas and fuel has been coming back. And you got to believe that the Fed's going to take that into consideration. Okay. So the issue we have with the Fed is, are they going to raise the interest rate 100 basis points? If they raise the interest rate 100 basis points, that is going to be, in my opinion, going to be viewed as a pretty negative thing for crypto and for stocks in general. Again, this video is for entertainment purpose only. This is not investing advice. I'm just giving you my opinion about what I think may or may not happen starting on Tuesday. So that is kind of the reason that it's a good market right now, but you need to be aware that this is a pretty significant factor that's hanging out there that's going to start in not 2 days. Keep your eye on it. If you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel. I'll keep you updated as we roll along. Thank you for your support. I'll see you. Bye.